Hey guys, Sam with Flow-Rite Controls here. We're going to be talking about our Level-Light sensor technology suite today, and we are going to walk through which one is the right one for each application that you may have for your customer base. So the first one that we have here is going to be our simple essential drill-in. So this is one that's going to be green or off, and it has one wire to connect. It does require a tad bit more work to install because you do have to drill into the top of the battery, more traditional, but it is one of our more economical options for you. So for this simple level sensor, you're going to get a green light, which indicates that your battery is full of electrolyte and it does not need to be watered. However, when you notice that the green light is no longer present, you are going to need to water your batteries. Guys, I'm really excited about this one. This is our new Eagle Eye Essential in valve. You do not have to drill into the top of the battery. You can just simply remove one of the valves in the center of your battery and replace it with this level sensor. It only has one wire that you have to drill into the inner cell connector to put power to it. This light is 6 times brighter than any light that's on the market. And what's really great about this is that it comes in every single length of the valve that we offer. So this is gonna be much easier to gauge which level light that you need to put into your battery because it's gonna correlate with the watering system that you already have. It comes with a 2-year warranty, whereas our other level sensors only have a 1-year warranty. So we just want you to be extra sure when you're trying this new level light that we will stand behind our product, and we will. So here I have with me the traditional drill-in level light. This is going to show green when it has the correct amount of electrolyte inside the battery, and it's going to blink red when it needs to be watered. This is typically something that you can trim the sensor to make it fit whatever application that you need for your battery. In here I have another traditional drill-in level sensor, but this one is going to have a remote light. This is great for those applications where you can't see the top of the battery, so you need the light on the outside of the vehicle. This is going to be green when it has the proper amount of electrolyte, and it's going to blink red when you need to replenish the water in the battery. Up next, we have the Eagle Eye Elite in-valve sensor. This is a really great new way to have a level light integrated into the valve and allow you to install this product without drilling into the top of the battery. This has a remote light, so you can put it on the edge of the vehicle for when you can't see the top of the battery. This is a sensor that comes in every single length of the valve that we offer, so this makes it a lot easier to understand which valve you need to order. So the Eagle Eye Elite in-valve level sensor is going to be green when the electrolyte level is sufficient for the battery, or it's going to blink red when you need to replenish the water in the battery. We also offer this Elite in-valve level sensor in our Profil space. This is something that's going to be used on a golf cart, scissor lift, or pallet jack. So this product is going to have a green light when the electrolyte level is sufficient for the battery, or it's going to be red when the battery needs to have the water replenished. I know we all love level lights, so I'm here to give you a little recap on what we offer here at Flow-Rite. One of the best things about having a level light is that it's going to give you that visual indication of where the electrolyte level is for your battery. This is something that is going to be very bright and obvious, so you can increase your efficiency and also make sure that you are staying safe and far away from the battery acid. We know that batteries are expensive, and here at Flow-Rite we want to make sure that we are protecting your investment. So we have a variety of level light offerings for every application. A lot of times level lights are going to be a visual indication on when you need to water your batteries. This is going to keep the electrolyte level consistent and keep the battery healthy. We know that we're not the only company that offers a level light. It's something that is standard in the battery industry. However, we have decided here at Flow-Rite that we want to protect the techs that are installing these level sensors on the batteries. We are offering a level sensor that's already integrated into the watering system, the valve itself. So this avoids all drilling into the top of the battery. It's going to keep you extra safe, and it's going to be a lot faster to install.